What is going on, y'all? Glad to hear back with another video. And as you can see, they somewhat still hanging in there. I'm not sure. They're not trying to die, man. These tomatoes is trying to hang in there. They're still trying to do their thing. We got a little bit of flowers on it here. If I get close, a little bit of flowers. But over here, as you can see, look like all the habaneros are starting to turn orange or red. We need to get to picking some of those. Might make some more hot sauce one day. I got so many of them, so I gotta do something with them. See my onions. Look like we got 2 bulbs coming. 2 bulbs of onions coming. Can't really decide what that is. Strawberries is doing their thing as always. Producing strawberries for us every week. Big gem peppers, look at them. Look at them, man. They're getting pretty big. They're going crazy. Just waiting for them to look like they're already starting. Oh shoot, my bad. Like they're already starting to get ready to form some flowers like these ones are. Let's check on this one. Let's see. Okay. This little one, it's still little. I think it's gonna stay this size. Not sure what's going on with that. And y'all can see my biggest tomatoes. They got flowers coming in. You can see some right there. So we're gonna see if it's gonna start producing for us before it start getting cold outside. Right now they doing their thing. Over here, producing more and more flowers, which is good. So it lets me know it's getting closer and closer to trying to make a female plant so we can start having some pumpkins coming, man. Or that gets too cold. And look at this. Cabbage going crazy. Took up the whole, this is a new pot, y'all. I just put it in like a couple weeks ago or a week ago. That mug is ready to get replanted again. And then look, surprisingly, these things started to grow back. I don't know why, but they just started to grow back out of nowhere. I thought they were dead. They growing back out of nowhere. But everything, all in all, looking pretty good, y'all. So, till next time, y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm out of here.
3 days later.
Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Look at all this, y'all. This mug is even more crazier than it was in the summer. But let's start with the cabbage, man. Look at the cabbage. That thing is bigger than the pot, man. It's out of hand. Looking good. We need to go ahead and get that repotted soon. And look it, these still growing. Even though I thought they were dead, they still growing. I don't know what's going on, but as you can see, everything is looking good. The pumpkins are looking good. Daddy. My big gem peppers are growing tall. I think they starting to get a little bit of little buds in there. Let me get this here zoom. Little buds in there growing. Our tomatoes over here, we got flowers. Got flowers all over. Some in the back there, as you can see. And bell peppers still growing. Do I got any more? I don't necessarily see any more growing in right now. There's one in there, baby. Little baby one. Onions is doing good. Still got 2 stalks. Trying to see if we get more growing out of that. Strawberries overripe. I have not picked them, so they're a little overripened. Go ahead and clear some of that. Start getting pests up in here. Look at all those, y'all. Habaneros. Nice and red, ready to be picked. This thing is just growing. Got green ones, it looks just producing fruit after fruit after fruit. It's going crazy. Got green ones, red ones, orange ones. Now this is the struggling tomato plant right here. This thing's been struggling. Been going through it. But for some reason it looks like you got let's see if I can zoom in. I can't even zoom in on them. But they got some little tomatoes growing on it. See if I can find some more. Some right there, growing in right there. So I don't know, it's growing. But all in all, everything is looking pretty good. And until next time, y'all, I'm out of here.